The CST is fine for some riders. I know a lot of people, Doug and me included, who do a lot of like high speed leaning over cornering.
Yeah.
We like having something that isn't garbage for cornering. So I just hate how flat the CST is. It's flat, which means on good roads, it's nice, it's comfortable.
Right, nice and stable.
But if you try turning it, it doesn't like to turn. If you hit like a little, like a bump in the road or a section that's a little curved, it'll start to pull and move the wheel around, which is annoying. I know Doug got the Michelin, I think he got the Pilot Sport. I got the Pirelli Angel.
Ah, yeah, I've had the Pirelli, or I've ridden the Pirelli before. It's a real nice street tire.
I read someone's review of it on the forum. And that's what convinced me. I rode Doug's Michelin, and it's okay, but it's not my favorite. I think I could get better.
Is his Navi the Michelin?
No, it's a slick street tire.
Yeah. It's crazy how much difference a tire makes on the ride.
Yeah. Well, only having one tire kind of affects it as well. You feel a lot through it.
I wish that all the stock tires wouldn't be the like every time I get a wheel, it's like the stock is a CST, and it's like why? Why
CSTs are cheap.
It's like why is every single one?
CSTs are cheap.
I really like the H666 on the V11 or the V12 and the 16X.
Yeah, I wish they still made it in the 18-inch. That was a fun tire on the V12.
Yeah, it was. It was super playful. I can tell this is not going to be as playful.
You'd be surprised. It's a lot better than... Here, you want me to go get the MSP so you can ride it?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay.
Why not?
You'd be surprised with how it performs.
There's the grease on the bearing. We like finesse the shit. Ben and I finesse the shit out of this tire. See how it's got a pretty nice spin to it? There's no real wobble. It looks clean though inside.
Oh yeah.
Look at him! Look at!
I know, he's so cool.
Go! Go! Grandpa! Grandpa! Grandpa!
Grandpa, grandpa. Heck yeah.
Clap your hands!
Whoop, 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 whoop. Wouldn't this be perfect? Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, nice. Woo-wee. Woo! What's happening? Ooh, is he like, ooh, it's a trick. I need a newbie session.
You and me both.
I know, I need Lance to go do like 101. Lance 101. Whoop.